Hi, I'm Leo, and in this video we'll be looking at puts and printf. So basically we use these two functions to print our text or whatever on the computer screen. So let's look at puts, which is a C library function that only prints strings. And then secondly, it automatically adds a new line, unlike your printf, and it is very useful for printing messages with multiple lines. All right, the next one is your printf. The printf is also a C function that prints both your strings and variable. Now it is more versatile than the puts, and it allows you to format your output in different ways. Now take note, it does not automatically add a new line. You have to do that manually. All right, we'll move to code block and play with these two. Alright, I have a couple of strings here. The first one is "it is a beautiful day," and the second, "rise and shine, God is good regardless." So when I click on compile and run, you notice each of these is going to be on a different line. So you can see that they are all on different lines. It is a beautiful day, rise and shine, God is good regardless. So it prints and it automatically adds a new line, unlike your printf. So printf, when I compile and run, you'll notice that all the strings will be on the same line. So you can see they are all on the same line. So this is one of the differences between puts and printf. Okay, secondly, I can decide to throw in a variable here. I'll be using an integer. Let's call this variable, let's call it a. So a is equal to let's say 25, and I actually want to say it's 25th, rise and shine. So it's I'm going to use %d for integer. Don't worry about that, we'll get to that later. So I'll go to the end of my line, put a comma, and put the name of the variable. So when I run this, it's going to I'm not sure why it's taking long. So you can see it's 25th, rise and shine. So if you want to put these each of these on a different line, you can go to each of the lines. You use /n. I don't know if that's what it's called, but once you add that, you'll notice that they will all be on different lines. Okay, so let me compile and run. Okay, and that is it. So you can see it prints on different lines. So that's the basic difference between puts and printf. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, so that as I go on, you're going to get more videos.